Perched atop the Karst Plateau, overlooking the Vipava Valley, Štanjel Castle forms the heart of one of Slovenia's oldest and best-preserved medieval villages. Built from local limestone, the castle blends seamlessly into the surrounding stone houses, creating one of the country's most distinctive historic landscapes. The castle was built during the 16th century by the Counts of Kobenzl on the foundations of an earlier medieval fortification. As Ottoman raids threatened the region, the settlement was strengthened with defensive walls and towers, turning Stanjel into an important fortified village on the Karst frontier. Over the centuries, Štanjel Castle passed through several noble families and gradually evolved from a military stronghold into an aristocratic residence. Rather than standing alone, it became integrated with the surrounding village, creating a rare combination of castle, church, and medieval streets enclosed within one fortified settlement. During the 20th century, renowned Slovenian architect Maks Fabiani helped restore much of Stanjel after periods of decline. His work revitalized the castle, redesigned parts of the village, and preserved its unique karst character, ensuring that Stanjel survived as one of Slovenia's architectural treasures. About 1.3 kilometers from Štanjel Castle lies Villa Fabiani, the historic estate associated with Maks Fabiani and his family. The villa reflects the architect's innovative vision, while both sites together showcase his lasting influence on the cultural landscape of the Karst region. Today, Štanjel Castle houses exhibitions and cultural events while remaining the centerpiece of the medieval village. Surrounded by vineyards, stone streets, and panoramic views across the Karst Plateau, the castle continues to preserve centuries of Slovenian history and architectural heritage.